This video shows the enhancements made to the pedestrian head impact workflow. In particular, the improvements to the HIC area calculator and the new HIC processor tool. For version 23, the majority of tools within the pedestrian safety workflow have received updates. Some are small updates designed to improve efficiency and ease of use, whereas others are larger enhancements providing new functionality based on customer feedback. An example of a brand new tool within the pedestrian workflow is the HIC processor. This tool can be accessed from Primer and HIC and makes it easier than ever to process head impact. Simply read in a list or blob file and provide a small amount of info, such as output file names and accelerometer node IDs. For each impact, you can then choose to post-process using results data or existing curve files before clicking the button at the bottom to open HIC. The integration between Primer and HIC means the information is sent automatically, and HIC will begin processing those results. Then when finished, the new data is automatically reflected back in the table in Primer. As well as being a standalone tool, the HIC processor has been integrated within the HIC area calculator. This means it is now possible to have incomplete blob plots, where some impacts have not yet been analysed or processed, and instead they are shown as grey dots, as you can see on the screen. Then by clicking the new button at the bottom of the panel, the processor will open, and it is just a case of deciding whether to overwrite or create a new blob file. As with the standalone version, you click the button at the bottom to fire up HIC. HIC then quickly processes that data before returning to Primer, where the new results are shown on the screen. Here we can see the new zones feature that's been added to the HIC area calculator. This was requested so that users can manually curate their own high and low HIC zones. In this example, we're partway through setting up a new zone by simply clicking the points on the screen. When we're finished, we can reflect the zone to the other side of the bonnet, and then we can choose from a number of different display options. For easy collaboration, the zones can be output as text files or IGES files for easy sharing with our colleagues. Previous feedback for the HIC area calculator had highlighted that sometimes the display could be cluttered and hard to read when displaying lots of impact values or names. To address this, there is now a filter tab that allows users to apply filters based on the properties of the points. In this example, we can modify the display so that only values above 1350 are shown. To maximize efficiency, the new Build tab within the HIC area calculator makes it possible to quickly generate new impacts from existing keyword files. In this example, we have read in the results file 001. We then identify the new empty folder 002 before selecting the points we wish to regenerate. In this example, the points ending in -1. We can then, using this panel, identify changes to include files and parameters. So here we are changing include file 1 to be include file 2, and we're changing our termination parameter from 3 to 4. Finally, pressing build generates the new points, which we can see in the 002 folder. Each point now references the updated include file and parameter value. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. Thank you.